Can everybody walk to today's video? Today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove your mirror out of your Jeep JK. First thing we need to do is we got to pop that clip off from behind. Get a trim tool in there. Okay, piece is popped off. Gonna put it on the ground. That clip removed. Gonna pull this T25 out. So now with that screw out, we're gonna pop this cover off with our trim tool. Okay, we're gonna fold that up, and that's what we put on the ground. Get our trim tool in there, pop that off. So we got a Phillips there, and we got another Phillips right there. We got to remove those two. And just let it fall on the ground, because that's where, good thing this has a little light on it. Get in there. I think I'm just gonna grab a magnet. At the bottom of the door we got two, one there, and that'll be all the hardware holding the door on. This I'm actually going to take off. So now that everything's off, we're going to take our trim tab tool and pry all the tabs off. I'm going to use this one. Okay. Hope we don't break any, because that would suck. Yeah, trim tabs are not your friend. That's for sure. Still got something in this side of here. There we go. I think we got her. And if there's anything connected, yep, there is. There is the lock connector that we gotta carefully get out. So that's the cable I disconnected. It's from your door locks off the door. This is your one for your mirrors. We need to disconnect this, and we need to push that in. Then we need to tie a string on that. So I'm just gonna tie a knot on there, and then I'm just going to do the same for this, except I'm gonna double knot it, single knot it, perfect. This Milwaukee ratchet is weak, so I just want to bust them free by hand. So we're gonna take the first one out. Goes along. Now you want to support the mirror with your hand so it doesn't just fall out. Perfect. And then just get to the other side here. Now I'm hoping that we can get this out. Yeah, we got stuck in there. Perfect, now we're out. And I tied it down there too. Perfect, get this out of the way. And that's the reason why we tied the string on. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care, everybody.